guys, Miss D here. I am here to give you a quick little introduction to measurement and how to measure objects with a ruler in inches and centimeters and the proper way to actually measure them. Just to go over a couple of things, if you can see on my screen here, it says you can measure length with inches or centimeters. A quarter is about 1 inch across. So from this end of the quarter to this end is about 1 inch. Your little finger is about 1 centimeter across. So this is about 1 centimeter right there. cm stands for centimeter, just like in stands for inch. So sometimes on a ruler, it won't say inches and centimeters. It might say in or cm. So cm stands for centimeters, in stands for inches. A ruler is a tool used to measure length. What units can you measure with this ruler? So the unit of measure you can use with this ruler are inches and centimeters. And I want you to take a quick second to look that inches are so much further apart than centimeters are. So inches have bigger space in between them and centimeters are a lot closer together. There's 3 things that you need to know when you are measuring an object, whether it's a pencil or a pen or a hair clip. Any of these things, there's 3 things you need to do when you are measuring with a ruler. The first one is that you have to make sure that you line up the object nice and neatly with the ruler. The second thing is that you need to start at 0. You always start at 0 when you are measuring something. And the third thing you need to look for is you have to pay attention to the unit of measure. So if it's asking you to measure in inches, make sure the ruler is on the inches side and not on the centimeter side. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples of what not to do. I'm going to go through a YouTube video and I'll talk about it, and then maybe I will challenge you to find some things to measure in your own home. So in this YouTube video, here's the first thing that she does on her first try. And she is trying to measure this pencil. As you can see, she has not lined up the object with the ruler. It's kind of going downhill here at an angle, and it's not what you want to do with that. The next thing she tries to do here is measuring this pencil. This is not starting at the 0. They started the measurement at 1. You don't want to do that either. You always want to start at the 0. And the third thing here that is wrong, the third try, this is not the right unit of measure. They're trying to measure in inches, but you can see how much closer these numbers are together. They are on the centimeter side. This upside down one is the inches side. Remember, inches are more further apart than centimeters are. So finally, student understands, you line up the object with the ruler, you start at 0, you pay attention to the unit. So you go further in here. Finally, the student got it. They started the measurement at 0. They lined up the object with the ruler, and they're on the correct unit of measure. So the pencil is 7 inches long. Okay, you remember you always want to make sure that when you are measuring something in centimeters or inches, you start at 0, start at the tip of the object to the very tip of the object. Here, centimeters, start at the tip of the pencil, the eraser, to the very tip of the lead. It's 16 centimeters, and that is 1 inch. So that is how you measure something. If you have a ruler at home, I challenge you to measure a pencil of your choice, a crayon of your choice, and a marker of your choice, and see if you can come up with that. Or find some things that are 4 inches long, 8 inches long, and find something that's 10 inches long and see if you can do that. I hope everyone's doing well. Miss you guys lots and lots. Please call or email us if you have any questions. Thank you.